Light Candela is the world's most innovative smart candlelight that engineers have ever created. Its blend of state-of-the-art technology and style has never been seen before in the industry. Candela was designed to be a part of your life.
What do you offer?
The built-in battery allows you to take your candela wherever you want. The IoT Smart Control helps you care about your significant other, even when you are not next to her. Candela helps to express your emotions. Simply rotate the naturally transparent lamp cover to adjust the brightness. Candela was designed to minimize the harmful blue light and provide the most visually comforting light to start your day. Candela is the revolutionary smart candlelight that uses the latest Bluetooth mesh technology. It allows up to 30,000 units of candelas to communicate with each other. You can set different groups of your candelas and control them through your smart devices. Candela holds a candlelight-like color temperature, which creates the ultimate romantic feeling. Let us take care of the lighting. You enjoy your romance. Light Candela.